welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name is Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new stock item here at Grantham, our display model for the Siena Super 6 FB 2021 model. So this is a bespoke caravan to us here at Grantham. You won't find this anywhere else based on the Sprite range of caravans, but with some fantastic additional features. You have the chrome Siena logo located on the front of the caravan that you see there. We've added the ATC trailer control system to make for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couch, and also a 240 volt socket. You've got the Siena logo going down the side of the caravan and a change and introduction and real high quality of finish on the new logo and the new decals that you see going down the side of the caravan. You've also got an access hatch on this particular model to underneath that French bed. And one of the other key features for the Swift range as well is the fact that you have these 2-lay bike rack fixings on the back, should that be a need or a consideration for you. So a fantastically well-spec'd 8-foot wide family caravan. So stepping inside, one of the first things that you notice is extremely large double dinette area. So a fantastic area to sit all of the family around and enjoy some brilliant adventures away. The table pushes down to convert that into a double bed with these slats pulling out on either side. Generous sized front couches. So you've got long front couches on both sides here, so you could sleep on these as single beds or again make this up into a very large double. As a first look at our bespoke fabric scheme that we've hand selected for the 2021 range, and it really offsets well against the reintroduction of the Arale Zen wood grain wood locker doors, as opposed to what they were last year in the white locker doors. You've got a panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, giving a fantastic feeling of light and space. Other key features that you find on our Siena range, down the bottom there, we've fitted the alarm, so it's got a PIR sensor for the alarm. You've got television point and USB ports on the front here to pop the TV on the front chest. Short pull-out chest with drawer underneath, and also further storage underneath. So the Swift Command, introduced in 2019 with these new panels, all touchscreen with built-in digital DAB radio. This particular model benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system. And with the DAB radio, you've got an auxiliary that you can plug into on this side here, in here if you wanted to play your own music and pop an iPad or iPhone into that slot. You've also got the ability to control your caravan whilst in it via Bluetooth on the Swift Command app, but you can also control it at a distance via GPRS. A very generous sized kitchen area here with stainless steel sink and a medium under-counter fridge. Easy usable height microwave, and they've still kept some of the white wood that you see in the kitchen area here. The oven benefiting from 3 gas hob burners in a combination oven and grill with pan storage also located underneath. Above here, you've also got a privacy curtain that you can pull around this side dinette when converted into a bed, and also a pull-across concertina blind if you need privacy in the bedroom area. A very generous sized French bed that you can lift up with storage underneath, and also a wardrobe to the right-hand side and left-hand side with vanity mirror. The Arale wood grain going through to the bedroom area as well, and really offsetting fantastically well against our bespoke fabric scheme. So stepping inside the bathroom, a very generous sized left-hand step-through washroom with large shower cubicle, your Thetford toilet, some storage shelves and storage underneath the sink, and a high quality of finish on the sink with our logo on the vanity mirror. So that gives you a real good feel for what this Siena Super 6 FB has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please contact our friendly sales team. We'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and we look forward to doing business together. Bye bye now.